Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian versus Capacities. Let's dive into their fundamental approaches to knowledge management. Notion offers an all-in-one workspace, perfect for structured data and team collaboration. Obsidian provides a local-first, plain-text environment, emphasizing interconnected ideas and personal knowledge graphs. Capacities introduces an object-oriented approach, allowing you to define and link various content types. Each tool caters to distinct needs, offering unique strengths for organizing your digital life. Moving on to key features, Notion excels with its powerful databases, enabling flexible project tracking and content organization. Obsidian shines in personal knowledge management, offering robust linking, graph views, and a vast plugin ecosystem for deep customization. Capacities stands out with its unique object types, allowing you to create structured content for anything from people to projects, fostering a highly organized and interconnected digital space. Regarding customization, Notion provides extensive template galleries and database properties, letting you tailor workflows precisely. Obsidian offers unparalleled extensibility through its thousands of community plugins and CSS snippets, allowing for deep personalization of your knowledge base. Capacities allows you to define custom object types and properties, giving you the flexibility to structure your content exactly as you envision, making it highly adaptable to diverse needs. Finally, let's consider pricing and accessibility. Notion offers a generous free personal plan, with paid tiers starting around $8 per month for teams. Obsidian's core application is free, with optional paid services like Sync and Publish. Capacities provides a free tier for essential features and a paid plan, typically around $12 per month, for expanded storage and advanced collaboration. Each offers accessible entry points for different user needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.